Welcome back. Now what we need to do is that we need to connect to the database and create the database. And in order to connect to the database, we need to open up XAMPP. And in order to open up XAMPP, you need to, if you are using Mac, you need to search for XAMPP, or you need to search in the search here, you need to search for XAMPP here, and you will find a folder called XAMPP, or you will find it among your applications. If you open up your applications, you should find XAMPP here. As you can see, you'll find a folder called XAMPP. That's XAMPP. If you click on it, you'll find that you have here a, an icon or a file or a program called Manager OSX. This is the XAMPP. You need to click on it, and this is going to open up this window, which is XAMPP. In Windows, if you are using Windows, you need also to search for XAMPP, and you will find it among your application. Typically in Windows, it's called XAMPP Control Panel. You'll find a program called XAMPP Control Panel or XAMPP, something like this. Anyways, whenever you upload XAMPP, whenever you download XAMPP and install it, you will find it in your PC. And it's very simple to find it. You will be able to find it. Just search for XAMPP control panel or just XAMPP, and you will find it. And once you find it, just open it, and once you open it, it will open up a window like this, which is XAMPP. Here, XAMPP. So in XAMPP, what you need to do is that you need to click on Manage Servers, and in your Manage Servers, you need to start the MySQL server, MySQL database, as well as the Apache web server. First, click on Apache web server, select it, and then click on Start. And this is going to take like 10 seconds to start. And then once this is running, once here it says running, you need to select MySQL, and then you need to click on Start. So this is also going to take like 10 seconds to start. And once this is running, once Apache web server and MySQL database both running, you need to head on over to the browser, and in the browser you need to type in the browser localhost, and then /-board. That's localhost /board, and then hit enter. Once you hit enter, you will be taken to the Apache web server web page. You need to click on phpMyAdmin, and now we can control our databases and we can create a database. Now let's create a database. So to create a database, you need to click here, databases, and then you need to type the name of the database. Here I'm going to name my database Python. I'm just going to say Python, and then I'm going to click on create. Once you click on create, this will create a database here. It's called Python. So the database has been created successfully.